two courts yesterday delivered conflicting judgments on the primaries conducted by the All Progressives Congress (APC) in Zamfara State ahead of this year's elections. While a federal high court (FHC) in Abuja held that the party failed to conduct a valid primary, a Zamfara State High Court declared that valid primaries took place between October 3 and 7, 2018. The FHC Abuja said that the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) acted within its powers by refusing to accept list of candidates for the next general elections from the Zamfara State APC. Justice Ijeoma Ojukwu said it was not the fault of INEC that the APC failed to conduct a valid primary within the period scheduled by the electoral body. Justice Ojukwu said INEC's action was intended to curb impunity among political parties and politicians and ensure compliance with the rule of law. The judgment was in respect of a suit, marked FHC, ABJ, CS, 1279-2018, filed in the name of APC by some individuals, who said they emerged from a consensus arrangement adopted by the party in Zamfara State. Justice Ojukwu dismissed the case for lacking merit, noting that evidence presented before the court by parties did not show that the APC conducted its primaries within INEC's published schedule of activities, which required parties to conduct their primaries and submit list of candidates within August 18 and October 7, 2018. The judge said the decision of the APC in Zamfara to select its candidates through a consensus option breached the provision of the Electoral Act in the party's constitution. Justice Ojukwu said, by the fact before the court, it could not be held that INEC acted ultra vires by rejecting Zamfara APC's candidates list. She said, the intent of the law is that due process must be followed. The first defendant's INEC's action was to ensure that the party complies with rule of law. The judge said it was obvious that, as at the close of nomination for the 2019 elections, according to INEC guidelines, the party APC had no candidates, having failed to conduct legitimate primary. Earlier, Justice Ojukwu had dismissed the preliminary objection brought against the suit, and said that there was no similarity between the case before her court and the one pending before the High Court of Justice, Zamfara State, marked ZMS GS 52/2018, filed on December 6, 2018 by Alhaji Babangida Abdullahi, Chairman, APC, Gusau Local Government and others against the APC and others. In Gusau, Justice Mohammed Bello Shinkafai of the Zamfara State High Court held that the APC actually has candidates, having conducted valid primaries between October 3 and 7, 2018. He therefore ordered INEC to accept the candidates produced by the primaries as APC candidates in Zamfara for all positions in the forthcoming general elections. Shinkafai said, now on the strength of the evidence adduced by the plaintiff, the evidence elicited from both EWS 1 and 2 during cross-examination as well as the documentary evidence tendered and admitted in evidence, I am satisfied that the plaintiffs have proved their case against the defendants. Consequently, therefore, the above issue for determination is hereby answered in the affirmative and all the reliefs claimed by the plaintiffs are hereby granted. The reliefs are, an order declaring as lawful and valid the primary election conducted by the APC, here plaintiff's party, under the supervision of the third defendant and security agents on the 3rd and the 7th of October 2018 for the purpose of producing candidates to vie for various elective office, which produced the plaintiffs under the platform of the first defendant. A declaration that any decision or steps taken to reverse the result of the primary election duly conducted on the 3rd and the 7th of October 2018 and monitored by the third defendant is or will amount to a nullity, void and of no effect. A declaration that the first defendant is bound to recognize, accept and forward to the third defendant the list of candidates that emerged winners in the governorship, national and state legislative houses primary elections of the first defendant in Zamfara State held on the 3rd and the 7th of October 2018. INEC was awaiting the certified true copy